Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you create an invitation on iPhone. So guys, to create an invitation, just go to your calendar. Now after that, click the top right this plus icon. Now in the title option, just enter the invitation title. Now after giving the title, in the second option here you can see you can put the location or video call. Just tap on it and just select the current location, and after that here you can see when will the event starts and ends. You can select the time, you can select the time range, just like selecting this one. I'm randomly selecting, and ends on this day. If you want to repeat it, you can click on here. If you want to change any of this option, just like alert, second alert, you can change it. Now to invite someone through this invitation, just click on invites here and just select the mails, just like I'm selecting a random mail. And click the top right done. And click the top right add again. Now to search this event invitation, just click the top right search and just search for the name. Here you can see the first one is here. If you click on this, you will see the whole information. You can edit it if you want. So guys, that's how you can create an invitation on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.